Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'll take you to Data Lima where you can take an SQL tutorials for free. This link will be shared in the description section where you can access the site and take the free tutorials. Okay, so when you click on the site, you see SQL tutorials for data scientists and data analysts. You don't need any coding experience to take this course. Okay, so when we go down on the site, when you go down, you see basics SQL, you see intermediate SQL, and now you see advanced SQL. So it has categorized the lessons into 3 parts. So the first one, we have the tutorial intro. Okay, so when you click on the tutorial intro, you see one thing I like about this site is it's practical. You take the lesson, you watch the video, and also you can go to the practical side where you can write your own queries there, and also it give you questions where you answer them practically. Okay, so you have the SQL introduction. You read, it tells you everything. So you see we have the practice problem. So we have the query here, or we have the question here. We have the given the reviews table. Write a query to retrieve all 3-star review using the SQL where clause. Only display the user ID and the star columns. Okay. Okay, so here is it. So they want you to only display the user ID and also the stars. Okay, so let's do this. So the hash stands for all. They only want user ID and stars. Okay, let me run the code. Okay, so as you can see, that display all the user ID and also the stars column for us. Okay, so as you can see, example output. There is it. So it's practical. I really like this site. If you are new to SQL or you want to learn SQL, you come to the site. And also SQL, some pronounce it SQL. That stands for Structured Query Language. So you see it here, and we have the Relational Database Management System. Okay, so it's also here. And to show you the joins, we have the inner join, the outer join, the full joint. We have all the joints and the difference between the SQL item, MS SQL, and SQL Server. We have all here. Okay, so here you don't need to go back again. So on the same page, you see the next lesson under the main topic. So we have the select statement here. So when you come to the select statement too, you see the topic under them, you read, here you read, here you read, you read. So it shows you sample of the codes. Okay, so let's go down. Okay, so we have the practice problem. When you click on it, okay, so here the question, output all the data in all the columns. So first you use the select statement, and on the hash or the star, that means all. From the name of the table is products. Let's run the query and see. Okay, so bingo, You see, we have all the records here. We've displayed.
I'm as fry as a slice of young ginger. By the way.
So we've displayed it all here. Okay. We have the between two, so select between. So select between normally is between range. So if you want to select between range, maybe a date range, you put there the first and you put there the last. Okay. And we have like. The like is more like a wild search or a wild card. So let's say you have ton of data and maybe production table and you are searching for a particular item, but the particular item maybe they didn't select but they key in, so you want to pull out those information, and now the spellings you are not sure about the spellings they used. So for instance, if we are searching for maybe exercise, so let's use this exercise, and exercise you've entered all the word there but still it's not executing. Maybe the user made mistake at the E. Maybe the E, when you type the E, it brought space and now you type the X. Even though the exercise is correct, but there was a space character in which in SQL it's see it as a character. So you can pick maybe some characters or letters between the word. So like you can pick the ERCI and you put them in the percentage sign. You put them between the percentage sign, then you run the query. It will pull out all words that contain ERCI. So you can take this course, or you can go through this website and it will show you how it works. So as you can see here, okay, it was here. So this image, you can see how it works here. Okay, we have the intermediate. Okay, so here you'll be seeing the function, and you'll be seeing the have, and you'll be seeing the distance. The distance is when you want to display a unique data. You don't want to display any repetition or duplicate or double data. You use the distance. You have the arithmetic. You have the division also there. We have the now. Okay, and let's check the advanced. Okay, so the advanced, we have the subquery, we have the union, we have the self join. Okay, we have a lot. We have the SQL pivoting. Yeah. It's a great site. It's called Data Lima. So the link will be shared in the description section where we can have access to the site. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Peace.